Once you're logged into TinkerCAD, you should see your recent projects on this main default page. If you don't see it, go ahead and click on the logo for TinkerCAD in the corner, and then this page will come up. I'm going to show you how to export your parts for printing. So I'm going to open my ruler. I just clicked on it from that dashboard page, and then Tinker This will open it. And there it is. And I can click here. Okay, and there I have my ruler. I'm going to go ahead and change the name before I download a copy of this ruler for print, because when I gather all of your rulers, they'll all have the same name. I won't know whose is whose. So put your name in front of ruler CM, and then you're going to export STL, we're going to choose. And you'll notice that it's going to download in the corner here. It's downloading to your downloads folder. There it says it's preparing model for export, so I guess it's going to take just a minute. Now I need to go get my own project. So I click on that TinkerCAD logo to come to the home page again. And here it is. I made a battery compartment cover. And tinker this to open it. And there it is. I need to rename it. So you're given a name, a file name by default, some crazy name. Have your name in it and then describe it. And export again as an STL. And it is in your downloads yet again. So if I click on this arrow right here, I can say show in folder. And here I have the two things that I'll be uploading to the assignment. Now I need to submit them to the assignment. So I'm going to Canvas. And open the agenda. And here is a link to the assignment. Whoops. Okay, and let me change this to student view. All right, so in the assignment it says watch these instructions for exporting, but of course I'm creating these instructions right now, so I'll link these I'll link the video by the time you get here. And I need to hit start assignment and file upload, upload a file, choose file, and now I need to be in downloads. And here's one, and I can hold my control button and choose the other one. Oh, no, I guess I have to do one at a time. So I'll just upload that one. So there's the battery cover, and then add another file, upload, choose file, and the ruler, and submit. And you're done.